Hello.
Hi.
Welcome to our day one in Puerto Rico. We got here late last night and today we have a jam-packed day, but it's going to be amazing. We're trying to make it to the ghost tower, which is 1 hour up but super incline. We have 40 minutes to make it up.
So they say that this is a ghost tower. Well, we'll see very soon how creepy it is.
I think it'll be creepy.
Man, is she pregnant? What's going on here?
We made it! Oh my god, we made it! Oh, we made it! I've never been happier to arrive anywhere in my life. Yay! Yay, here we are! Ah. This is the oldest swimming pool here in the Yunque. It's been here for a very long time. And this is one of our last stops. I think after this we're gonna go to the waterfall and the actual swimming place where we can swim. The sun's already set it. Look how beautiful.
Go.
This is so much fun.